Medical control is a precision weapon of systematic suppression. They thought statistics were just numbers, but I weaponized them into a blueprint of institutional destruction. Imagine healing as an act of warfare, not with scalpels, but with true knowledge that cuts deeper than any blade. My research isn't a medical journal, it's actually a manifesto of biological liberation. I've uncovered the silent massacres. Institutional protocols transform human bodies into controlled landscapes. Pharmaceutical networks simply treat illness as a renewable economic resource. With every suppressed medical breakthrough, we have a revolution waiting to detonate. The medical establishment fears transparency much more than any pandemic. They build labyrinths of misinformation around the populace. We must remember that healing isn't a science. It's an act of total human reclamation. Next time, the final metabolic liberation protocol that destroys medical control forever.